Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Creator Supervise. I'm here to be showing you other people's content that you will benefit from. Maybe video editing or color grading, whatever thing that related to video. I'm here to be showing you other people's content that you will learn from, you will benefit from. So please, before we go further, please, I just created this channel and I need your help. I need you to please subscribe to my channel. Please, also follow me on my Instagram. Drop your comments, whatever thing you want me to bring next, whatever thing you want to learn, whatever thing you want to ask. Just drop your comments and I promise that will be my next content to drop on this channel. Please support me, I really need your help. So please, let's continue.
Here's how to replace a screen in DaVinci. Select your clip, go to the Fusion tab, select Media in 1, press Shift Spacebar, search for Planar Tracker and add it. Make sure your playhead's at the start of your clip, press Set, create a rough rectangle around your screen. Now press this button to track forward. When it's finished, grab your screen recording and drag it onto the panel. Select the Planar Tracker node, change the operation mode to corner pin. Now adjust the screen recording video to match your screen. There you go.
Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm sure you learn, I learn, we both of us learn one or two things from here. So please, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram for more content. And I promise to bring whatever content that will benefit you. So please, don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you. One love.